How to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on iPhone. So if you want to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your settings application on your device. And once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down to the bottom and then tap on apps. Now once you're on your apps, you need to navigate to WhatsApp or just simply search for WhatsApp and then tap on it. And make sure the contact option is enabled, which is right here. Make sure that you have full access. And if not, then tap on the full access option, and in the confirmation that appears up, you need to tap on full access again. Now after enabling, reopen your WhatsApp and your names should appear within seconds. See if the issue is fixed or not. And if not, then open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you're on your chat section. If not, then you can tap on the chats tab and then on the plus icon, which is on top, and then scroll down to refresh your contacts. Now wait for a few seconds and WhatsApp will rescan your address book. And if the issue is still not fixed, then open up your app store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure that the app is updated. If you have an update, tap on the update and make sure that you have updated the application. After that, you need to go back and then open up your settings, and from the settings, you need to tap on your name and then just scroll down, go with iCloud option. And from the iCloud, you need to just scroll down and then go with See All, which is on the right side. And then you need to scroll down again and go ahead and toggle on the contacts toggle button, which is right here. Now go back to the settings homepage and scroll down and you will find an option of privacy and security. Just tap on it. And then you need to scroll down and you will find a WhatsApp option right here. Or you will find the contacts option. Tap on contacts and then scroll down, and here you will have WhatsApp. You need to tap on WhatsApp and give the full access here also. Now go and restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp contact name not showing on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.